Hey Russell fam, in today's video, I'm going to offer you 5 back-to-school tips. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to our Russell's Loving Life YouTube channel. Here on this channel, we talk about homeschooling, homemaking, and everything in between. I am a homeschooling mom of 2 and I have been homeschooling since 2012. We also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. Make sure to check that out. There, I give you tips and tricks and things that I have learned through my years of homeschooling. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. That just lets you know every time we upload a new video. And if you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. As we're all getting back into our homeschooling swing, we know that every year it is hard to get back into that swing of doing things. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips that will help you on your homeschooling journey as you ease back into it. And if you are new to homeschooling, these are 5 tips that may help you start your homeschooling journey. So tip number 1 is to ease into it. Now, what I mean by that is some fun ways you can do that is before you decide to sit down and start doing a lot of your core curriculums and your bookwork, start with a read aloud as a family. Start that about a week before you start homeschooling, and every day start the routine of after you get done with your breakfast and everyone's done their chores or dressed or however you want to do it, just sit down and do a read aloud for a little while that kind of gets everybody's mind ready and gets them back into the routine of homeschooling. Tip number 2 is to find a schedule or a routine that works for you. If you are a homeschooling mom, you know what that schedule or routine is. If you are new and this is your first year homeschooling, that is going to be something that you need to focus on, is finding a routine or a schedule that works for you. Here at our house, a routine works best for us instead of setting time parameters, because I feel when I'm under a time schedule, I feel like I'm crunched and in a rush to get things done. But when I have a routine, it doesn't put stress on me, so therefore it doesn't have stress on the kids. Our routine is I get up in the morning, I do some blog work, I do some YouTube work, get the husband off to work, and then I start my day. I get the kids up, get their breakfast done, then we sit down, I do my one-on-one work with my 2nd grader, and then we do our family subjects, and then I do my one-on-one work with my 7th grader. And that is how our routine works, but find a routine or schedule that works for your family. The 3rd tip is to plan a fun activity. Take a field trip, that could be a fun activity, or making a special breakfast, or I know some homeschool moms make special boxes for the first day of school that has a snack in it, that has some school supplies in it, something fun that the kids will enjoy that you can make memories doing. That makes them getting back into the swing of things a little easier, and it's fun and enjoyable for them, and that is the whole point of homeschooling. It is supposed to be fun and enjoyable for everyone. Is it always fun and enjoyable? No, it is not. We know that, but part of homeschooling is it's supposed to be fun. So find a fun activity, find a fun field trip that everyone will enjoy. Tip number 4 is to take breaks a little more frequently during the first week or 2 of homeschooling, to give the kids time to get their wiggles out, to get them in their routine or their schedule. Just take that break. I know it's going to be frustrating sometimes. You'll be in the middle of something and you need a break, then just take that break. The kids need the break, take it. Because if you don't take it, they're not going to learn anything. You're not going to teach it to them, and it's just not going to be productive. So if you see things where there's starting to be wiggles, or your child's lost interest, or you need to do something, take that break, 5-10 minutes, let everybody reset and come back. Taking a break is not the worst thing to do. Tip number 5 is something I have found that helps a lot in our homeschooling, and that is letting my children decide which subjects they want to do first. And that makes a total difference to them. It helps out, it encourages them, and it lets them get those subjects that they want to be done with out of the way and it lets them feel like they are in control of their education. They have a part and a say in making a decision, and that makes a big difference. So if you're swinging back into things, I do it all year round, and it's just a tip that I have picked up from my years that helps my family, and it's one I wanted to share with you that may help you. I know this was a short little video, but I wanted to share these 5 tips with you. I know some mamas have already started their homeschooling back in August. Some mamas are just now getting back into the swing of it after Labor Day, but these tips have helped me, and I hope they help you. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.